a half a dozen different kinds of sharks swirling around us right now. Even though we're hundreds of nautical miles away from the Mexican mainland, these animals still have in their tissues pollutants that have washed out from our shores.
So we are 750 nautical miles from the Mexican mainland coastline. How are the sharks here contaminated with mercury?
There's some natural sources, such as volcanic activity, and in here we have volcanic activity. But we think that the main source is because of humans.
So how is the mercury getting into these top-of-the-line predators?
They are accumulating all these contaminants in their tissues, and they cannot get rid of it. So they are bioaccumulating all these contaminants.
What would happen if you were to try and eat some of the silver-tip sharks here?
Well, actually, it's really bad. I think that in the US, if you're a pregnant woman, you are not allowed to feed on top predators such as tuna, sailfish, or even sharks.
What can be done?
Best way would be to gather as much information as possible about all these species. I think that that's the first thing that we need to do, because in our case in Mexico, there was no information about these oceanic species.
What can an individual person do?
I think that it's very important to spread the word about the super important role of the sharks. They must be in the oceans because they keep in check the population of their prey. They keep the marine ecosystem in a balance, and most of the people do not know that. So it's very important to get informed, because ignorance is one of the worst enemies of sharks also.